Hello. So, we're new to this. Obviously, it's our first vlog.
Already.
Oh, I've ermed already. I might leave that in.
Yeah, leave it
Yeah,
in.
leave the erm in. So.
And again,
Oh.
Naomi, if you're watching, I tried telling him.
Sorry. Our first vlog, we did a cruise from Hamburg. Cruise from Hamburg to Southampton. So we flew from Heathrow into Hamburg on Thursday evening, stayed in the hotel at the airport and got an Uber across the Hamburg port for sort of 10 o'clock the next day. Good little cruise, 3-day cruise.
Stopped at the Havre, we didn't get off, stayed on the ship.
Nothing to do at Havre for us, stayed on the ship. Yeah, so as I say, it's our first vlog, bear with us, there's more to come. We've got another cruise coming up next week, quite an interesting one, which should have more content, a longer vlog, so like, share, subscribe please. But I hope you enjoy it. Feel free to leave a message in the comments. Thanks.
No more erms.
No more erms. So let's talk about the embarkation.
Okay.
So, what happened?
It was a disaster.
Yeah, I know. So we arrived on time. Butlers took our cases as they should. We thought we'd get sat in a reserved area for...
As you do in Southampton.
For yacht club guests. Walked into the terminal. We're seated in... I don't know how you could describe, what would you say it's like? What's it like?
A roadside cafe.
A roadside cafe, yeah. Seated in a roadside cafe. So we sat down in a plastic chair. We were given a drink, or juice, or champagne or whatever.
And then basically ignored for best part of 45 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't the best. People were coming in after us. In fact, a couple of men on the cruise came in after us and got seen straight away, which kind of made it worse, I suppose. And we tried to make ourselves known a little bit to the butlers that were there.
To which I got told.
Yeah, they
Not
did,
a good move.
They did do this, which wasn't the best move for Debbie, really. And then they came to us and they called us to the desk, which you'll see in the video. We stood at the desk for a while. Nothing really happened. Did anything really happen at the desk?
Eventually, they did check us in from the desk.
Yeah.
And then we got taken on board and...
Everything's fine. Everything's fine. So, Debbie's made friends already. Yeah, that's my wife.
Is it nice? Did you do a good one?
It is.
Yeah. I need to check. Wait, maybe. No good. Really fun. It's wonderful. Thank you very much.
Just had 12 beers.
Great. We're getting them
Oh, we
on.
will have lots of fun for the next 2 days.
Let's go check out the cabin now. So we had cabin 14004, which strangely is exactly the same cabin we had 18 months ago. So the cabin, when we arrived, there was an issue. The issue.
Wasn't me.
No, the issue wasn't. No,
issue.
no, definitely wasn't the issue.
I was the only one who could smell damp in the cabin. So we went to the concierge desk, who were very helpful and put a lovely weed diffuser in.
Yep.
And had the cleaner come back and give it another clean. And within a couple of hours, the smell had disappeared, and we were quite happy with how it had been dealt with. However, when we returned to the cabin that evening, they'd left us a bottle of champagne and some chocolate dipped strawberries and an apology letter. So I really felt that was dealt with very well.
Yeah, I think they did a good job of it. I think it was a minor disaster, could have caused disappointment. I think they dealt with it really well. So we just thought it's worth mentioning. This is what happens when you get up too late and you miss your breakfast. You end up with a plate of nothing. So Yacht Club, here we are, and you go through this door here, like this, and you go through.
I thought the hotel was fabulous.
You're no longer yacht club, and you're back in the main ship.
Ritual punch. So every day we have ritual punch, different ritual punch.
Right.
And today we are serving East Indian punch, and this is our ingredients. We have the botanist gin, we have the East Indian tea punch, we have sugar syrup,
Okay.
and we have lemon juice. Would you like to try?
Oh, yeah, 2 of those would be great, thank you. Oh, we don't want to go.
Just
Oh.
letting you know, I'm not seeing enough tears, okay?
Oh, not enough tears yet.
I'm all
Oh.
cried out, Gumby.
Say again?
I'm all cried out. Been crying all night, crying all morning.
No wonder the cabin was all wet.
No, it is sad.
And now we have to go. Oh, it's over. If you're going to come on a seat, do the yacht club. Seriously, it's worth it.
It's just weird to be back.
Yeah.
When you come back to something you've been before.
Absolutely weird.
Hello, good morning.
It hasn't changed. You're like,
Hiya.
you're back. But I think that makes the time go slower because you already know what to do.
Yeah, well, we haven't done this.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. Hello, hello. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. I've got to get this coat.